It's day 878. I'm the Pancake God. I eat pancakes every day and post them on YouTube and Instagram. Today, we're making pancakes. Start yourself off with a cup of flour. Good. Tablespoons, 2 of them. Sugar or stevia. Baking powder, 1 teaspoon. Baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon. Look at that. Give it a mix. 2 tablespoons of butter. Add your milk or water or buttermilk. It's all the same. Now mix it up. Mix it up well and good. Make sure to add your liquid little by little. And keep it going. This is how you make your pancakes without the lumps. Trust me. Shove all your ingredients over here for later cleanup. Your complete cookie doesn't look like it does in the picture, Lenny and Larry. But I digress. Whatever that word means. So you know you're making pancakes when you're making a mess. Really want to get that last drop out so you can make a solid 5-6 pancakes. Now we just take our cookie, just throw it in there. Throw it towards the edge, that way you can see it. Back in the day, I was in middle school, like 8th or 9th grade. When I would make pancakes, I would be so anxious for the pancakes to be cooking cakes. So I would literally sit in my head and I would count down from 20. Because if I could just get through that 20 seconds, then I knew it would be cooked enough to flip. But I tell you what, those are the hardest 20 seconds. Whew. Damn. Oh. Back in the day, when I was beginning to step up my pancake photography game, I had started out, this is the only white plate I had, and this is what I made pancakes on every single day. Not only, pancakes are almost done, but not only is it good for pancake photography, but I use that plate for everything. When I get done with pancakes, I clean it, put it up. And then when I make chicken or any other kind of meal, I use that plate, and it saves you from having to do your roommate's dishes, because you can say, well, it's not my white plate that's dirty. I'm not washing your gray plates, or blue or red. And that's your stack. Just do your normal pancake rotations. Get the best side you can. Oh! Look at that, almost Nutella. Oh, oh, oh! Ooh! Oh, oh! Ooh! All right, cool down. All right, that's plenty. Well, that's a lot. Make sure you get a lot of cookie taste on there. Delicious, moist. They will be delicious. I can tell from looking at it. Pancakes were good. The hazelnut peanut butter cola stuff's good. I mean, I would tell you if they weren't. I made some pretty bad pancakes, but that was good. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Comment something about pancakes, or if you want me to try something. I'm always down to try something and take people's ideas. Hit subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. LG, life's good. Let's go.